Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.3, question number 7. If vector A is I plus 2j plus 3k, vector B is 2i minus j plus k, C is 3i 2j plus k, and A cross B cross C is LA, MB, and C vectors, find the value of element. Now, we know that A cross B cross C is equal A dot C B minus A dot B C. Now we'll express this as A dot C is I plus 2j plus 3k dot C is what? 3i plus 2j plus k. First we'll finding A dot C equal respective numbers multiplication of the coefficients 1 into 3, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So 3 plus 4 plus 3, 10. We got AC is 10. Like you are finding A dot B equal A is I plus 2j plus 3k dot B is 2i j plus k equal the respective coefficient multiplication is 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 equal 2 minus 2 plus 3 equal 3. Now we need to find A cross B cross C equal, we know that A dot C B minus A dot B C. Now we'll apply the values. A dot C is 10 into B. Vector B is 2i minus j plus k. 2i minus j plus k minus A dot B. A dot B is, we have 3 into vector C is 3 to 1. 2j plus 1k, which is equal 20i minus 10j plus 10k minus 9i minus 6j minus 3k. Simplifying 20i minus 9 is 11i is here Simply you can write in terms of ABC here. That is, we have AC. AC is 10. 10B minus AB is 3. 3C, let it be 1. Now, which is equal to, they are saying 10B minus 3C equal LA plus MB plus NC. Comparing the coefficient of like terms, here 10B, here MB, therefore M equal to 10 and NC is minus 3. NC minus 3C equal to NC, therefore N equal to minus 3. So we got the values. We got the values of M and N. Also we have to find L. Here L is, here there is no I terms. Here LA, there is no A terms here, therefore L equal to 0. We got 3 values. Next question. If vector A, vector B, vector C are the 3 unit vectors such that B and C are non-parallel and A cross B cross C is half B vector, find the angle between A and C. Here the given cape A cross cape B cross cape C is equal half of B vector cape unit vectors, which gives A dot C with B minus A dot B with C, all cape vectors, which is equal half B cape. Now let or put lambda equal to A cape dot C and mu equal A cap B cape dot B cape. Therefore, the above vector expression we can get it lambda B minus mu C. That means here we are having ACB minus ABC, then which is equal half of B cap. Now lambda B minus half lambda B vector is mu vector cap C equal mu vector cap C. Then here B cap is common, minus half minus mu C 0. Since B and C are non-collinear, since vector B and cap vector C are non-collinear vectors, it's not in straight line. then both are not in same line. Then lambda, we can get it lambda minus half equal to 0, and separately mu cap vector is equal to c. Therefore here lambda equal to half, lambda equal to half. Therefore already we have lambda is a cap c equal to half, and a cap is we can write as now modulus of a cap modulus of c cap cos theta is equal half. Then further we can see by the definition of scalar product, then here a cap vector is 1 and modulus of c cap vector is 1 because unit vectors into cos theta equal to half. From that cos theta equal to half, therefore theta equal 60 degree, which is equal pi by 3. Hence the angle between cap vector A, angle between vector A, cap vector A and C. And C is pi by 3. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.